Shortening a check-in stay. If a reservation is not yet checked in and presumably does not have charges applied yet, then shortening the stay is as simple as changing the last night. This can be done on the reservation details or directly on the rack by right-clicking on Preferred Last Date and selecting This is the new last date from the context menu. If the reservation is already checked in and they decide to leave early, then it takes a few more steps, assuming that you allow refunds of the unused days. So let's say Alton has to leave 2 days sooner than planned. Since he is giving plenty of notice, you decide to refund the 2 days. Right-click on Alton's reservation on the rack, Site 2, and select Reservation Details. Change the last night so it's 2 days less than before. Click New Edit Transactions to get the Transactions dialog. On the Transactions dialog, you'll see that's already paid in full, with the transactions in blue indicating they were auto-calculated. Click the Auto Calculation Rate Charges button. New transactions will be added with the negative quantities, essentially reversing the charges for 2 days. The reverse charges include the escapee's discount and hotel tax. He now has a credit negative balance in the total amount due. Click the Refund button and select the refund payment method. For this example, we will click on Cash. The amount is already filled in, assuming you give a total refund, so click Save. The transaction should look like this, with yellow indicating the transaction is not yet committed or saved. Print a new receipt if needed, then click Done to save the new transactions, taking you back to reservation details. Click Save to save this date change.